Hello everybody, welcome back to Crypto Switzerland. I'm Exido and I'm just here to give you a quick update on Bitcoin and even an altcoin that I think has really big potential, actually a Metaverse Altcoin. So let's get through this. Right now, I just want to talk you through the levels that I gave you in the Discord, which were these levels, which obviously every of these levels I traded from. This was a long, this was a short, where I took take profit 1, moved my stop loss at entry, and then I got stopped out of the rest. But still, it's a small profit. Then we got the golden pocket, confluence with the daily, confluence with the 236, which I took a short of, and closed out of my trade at the value area low of the whole uptrend that we are in right now. This is why I have this one marked. Now, we got the test of that level again with a swing failure pattern, which yes, I also took the trade off. It was from here, I took my take profit 1 again, and now I got stopped at break even. So small profits, not the best trades, but this one, you can leave running, or I leave running. And this is how you let your winning trades run, or me personally, with counter trading the shorts instead of taking profits. So I can make small profits on the shorts, getting stopped out again, and let that winner run. Yeah, that was pretty much that. So now, at the moment, we broke this resistance. We broke out of the daily, confluence with the golden pocket. Now the next levels to be aware of. I think, I've analyzed this upward sloping channel, which we just broke out of. I mean, this is a bullish channel overall. And if we break out of a bullish channel, that's even more bullish for the moment. So yeah, be aware of that parallel channel. On the medium term time frame, we are at the 30-minute chart. Then we also have this pitchfork right here, which yes, you can debate. You can take this high, but I just saw the better reaction of the middle and the low point at this high, so I kept it at that. Like this. See the perfect touch of the low again, and here the midpoint, which gave you the 80% probability of hitting the midpoint. And obviously now you hit it. So yeah, we have this upward sloping pitchfork. We also have the big time frame pitchfork, which I can show you right now. I'm gonna hide these horizontals real quick and the uptrend volume, so you can see that. Yes, that was an swing failure pattern level. Let's hide these Fibonacci retracements so we can see it better. So now that pitchfork, we we had these 3 anchor points of this pitchfork. We got up to the top where we rejected from, went back down to the middle. Now then we have just consolidated a bit at that high again, made a small new all-time high, and then we dropped back to the low. And firstly, I took a long off of this low, which gave a nice bounce again. That was a nice trade. But now you could have argued that that channel was lost. But I said I wanted to wait for further reaction, because sometimes you can lose these channels and get back into them. So now that is really important for me again. And again, if you see this low holding, you have 80% probabilities of getting to the midline. Also considering in time when that will hit. I mean, if we just pump up right now, it's gonna hit about 67k-ish region, 67, 68k. But if we hit the middle in about a week, that will give you another price target. So also keep time in mind when looking at these levels. Yeah, let's go down to a lower time frame and see what we are working with right now. Let's put the high time frame horizontals back on. We have a couple of dailies right here, which gave really nice intraday trades. Right now we're breaking above the daily. So really the next resistance I would look at is that weekly level. You can also look at that as a channel. So let's draw the channel right now. From connecting these 2 lows and then getting to that high. That gives you a target of about 59,600-ish region. So yeah, pretty much you can look up to the weekly look up to that region right now, see if you get a swing failure pattern of these highs. If we break that high, simply look up to the next weekly at 61,500, which would be even more bullish in my opinion. But right now, this is also kind of a channel we have to be aware of. Yeah, and that's pretty much it with the update on Bitcoin. Now let's move to the altcoin that I had in mind. And this is a this is a trade I gave for the bronze members in our Discord channel on Shadow Investors, where I had the SLP coin. This is a Metaverse coin. It's like some type of level up potion in the Axie Infinity game. So I don't really care about the fundamentals. I just saw that this coin is really, really low and is in an accumulation state. So that's why I got into a long on that. And you can also see my long setup right here. This is pretty much my long setup. Easy invalidation, stop loss below these lows. If we make new all-time lows, I want to be out of this trade. And yeah, you can see the risk to reward on that one is just insane. So I can lose 10 of these trades and only win one, and I'm gonna make big money. So yeah, you gotta keep that in mind with these high risk to reward trades. Obviously, you want to take profits in between, because at any of these resistances, price could turn down again. And after my first take profit, I personally would move my stop loss a bit closer, just to protect myself and reduce risk while still having the big reward. Also with these take profits, yes, your average risk to reward is going to be diminished, but I'm looking to add back on to my trade if I see a bullish reaction again. And yeah, I mean, technically you're even making more money if you take profit and add it again, because I can show you right now. If you take this trade, you take profit here, price comes down, and you can buy back in here. So that's also already another profit you have made, that small pullback. Then you added that back in, maybe you get a pullback at that one, took profit, and then you can add it back in if you see a nice reaction on a bullish reaction, some volume coming in. And then yeah, moon is the limit, honestly. It has big potential. SLP. I'm trading that on Bybit, but I'm charting it on Binance just because it has more history on Binance. So yeah, keep an eye out for SLP. I think this is really big potential, low risk trade. Don't go in with your full account because the stop loss is pretty wide on this one. I would not go in with my whole account. I just put a small position size, but with yeah, almost 300% profit, it's still worth the trade, of course. Yeah, I mean, you can see it yourself. Hopefully, most people would say, oh, this is a dead coin, don't buy this. For me, this is opportunity. I want to buy low and sell high. That's how you make money in trading. And where is this coin at right now? It's low. You also have a nice entry with a nice invalidation, so why should I not take that trade? So yeah, you can see I'm already in profits on that one. But my take profit didn't get hit yet, so you could argue you would have missed this trade right now, but if you get back down here, you could, yeah. No financial advice, guys. Do your own research, please, and this is just an idea for educational purposes only. You can see how I make my trades. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this analysis on SLP coin. I hope I could bring you further on an analysis on Bitcoin, where we can at the moment look for more upside, but we're gonna need to see what the chart tells us. At the moment, this looks rather bullish. We also got some nice volume. Yeah, volume is not all too bad, could be better, but yeah. Right now, I'm looking for more upside. If we get to the downside, we know our levels to trade. We have the pitchforks, we have the horizontals. If we lose that pitchfork, simply look it down for lower to allow about the daily at 56k-ish region. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. If you want to get daily updates like this in the Discord channel, join our Discord on Shadow Investors. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button. I'm gonna make a lot of updates, not daily, but maybe every other day, so you can be updated on that. And yeah, join our Discord, guys. It's completely free and you get daily updates. So that's pretty nice. And we can get a nice chat. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. See you in the next one. Peace out.